Court is calling 2022 CR 9493, State of Texas versus Richard Gonzalez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Mr. Gonzalez, I'm showing you what is entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
We'll find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility. There's a $1,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. They will take in consideration county court cause number 694367, and there's $57 restitution to the Bexar County Laboratory for testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours community service restitution, and a felony drug court evaluation. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
State offers Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
Your Honor, I reviewed these, my client with numbers.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court is finding there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court is finding you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We'd like to, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, spoke to my client. He's asked that you follow the plea bargain, grant him a 2-year probation in this case.
All right, is there gang issues here? Because
No.
if he's a gang member, they will not accept him in felony drug court.
I'm not affiliated with no gang, man.
Is that just current, or has there been a documentation in the past?
I have not been affiliated with gangs since high school.
All right, so there is documentation out there somewhere. So felony drug court, because they have limited placement, they're not going to accept him. So where would you be living if you're released?
The address where I provided on the
Who lives there with you?
my 2 sons and their mom.
How old are your children?
18 and 19 and 17 and 19.
And when's the last time you had employment?
Last time I was employed was about 4 or 5 years ago. I received social
For what?
for I had hurt my back and I received Social Security every month for about 3 years, 4 years. No more than that, about 5 years, 6 years.
So what do you do in your spare time?
I'm just there at the house.
Well, I mean, this incident didn't
Walking
occur at your
around.
house.
I was homeless for a while until they recently allowed me to go back.
All right. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 2 years. What is your wife's name?
I'm not married.
Well, who is the mother of your children? What is her name?
Esmeralda Garcia.
I'm sorry, what?
Esmeralda Garcia. I'm not affiliated with any gang members or anything like that, man.
Okay. There's a $1,000 fine that'll be probated. Take in consideration county court cause number 694367. There's $57 restitution for testing. And probation, he insists he's not a gang member, so we can do a referral to felony drug court. If not accepted, then we're going to do a TAP evaluation. And I want that TAP evaluation done while he's in custody and to follow the TAP recommendations. Of course, if TAP is recommending inpatient treatment, we'll start with intensive outpatient treatment. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month. And there's to be no contact with his current living situation, Esmeralda Garcia. And I will look into that and maybe change it, but he needs to be sober. Show me some sober months and then you can perhaps go there.
I did probation term in 2001 and in 2003, and I did complete that successfully and all that. If that's in, just letting you know that the view is important, Your Honor.
All right, I understand that, but here's the thing, it seems like you do well when somebody's supervising you. But I can't supervise you for your entire life.
Oh, that's,
Okay.
of course, you know,
All right, there's a regular reporting by Zoom or in person. We're gonna do the UA hotline.
what is that?
That's gonna be where you call in to receive a drug test, and I want him tested at least once a week. There's 120 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to do that, but if you do, 40 hours will be waived. There's going to be proof of employment or SSI within 40 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Is there anything else that he needs, probation?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, everything seems fine, Your Honor.
All right, and I'm sorry, probation. Also, there should be no unsupervised contact with minors.
And Judge, at the court knows, how long of the tap evaluation?
Oh, they usually have it ready in about a week.
Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. Do better. Your sons are looking up to you. Be a good example, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, I will. Thank
All
you.
right, you're
Sure.
welcome.
Just house cleaning, we initially started this because of the violation report. I don't know whether you took any.
They never
action on
put that in the system.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, are you all ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2022 CR 9439, State of Texas versus Richard Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris Sademan.
Defense.
Larry Meadows for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I understood it.
Are you the same Richard Gonzalez who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 9439 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram on October 20th, 2022 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
In Dare County, Texas, the defendant Richard Gonzalez did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of December 2022 and January 2023 in violation of condition number 4. State waives the remaining violation allegation.
With regard to that allegation, number 4, how do you plead, true or not true?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 1 year in the state jail facility and up to $1,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
True. Yeah, I just wanted to.
No, my question
Yes,
is,
ma'am. True.
knowing that I could sentence you up to 1 year in the state jail facility, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. And you understand that the court does not have to follow any agreement that maybe your attorney has reached with the state?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is there a proposed agreement?
I believe so, Your Honor, to extend supervision for 2 years, alter and amend to add the substance abuse treatment facility followed by aftercare treatment through Dare County CSCD, TAP outpatient treatment program, monthly UAs, and documented weekly sober support meetings as directed by the court.
All right. What is it done on probation?
I didn't have anything I couldn't be there at the house that I was at. That's why I didn't stay there.
Mhm.
They had kicked me out. I didn't mean to come over here like this. I should have came in person.
No. Why didn't you report to probation? You want to raise your right hand?
Yeah, I
You
really.
solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Richard Gonzalez.
All right, what is up with the ring on his finger? Is that allowed?
This is my rings, the ones that I was in.
I'm sorry, what?
The ones that I had on when I was in brought from custody.
Oh, so they can wear rings at the jail? My understanding that's considered.
They didn't take it off. I could, you know.
No. I'm just saying that, isn't that considered contraband? He has on 3 rings. One of them
That's kind of,
appears to.
they didn't take it off at the intake. I mean, but when you get back, you can probably put it in my property.
All right, one appears to have a diamond in it, but I
It
don't.
does? I
Love
didn't
it.
see that.
Your Honor, perhaps they're not able to remove the.
Yeah, this one was not, I couldn't get this one off, but probably now they can, because when I came in, it was kind of slow.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
These are just questions I'm curious about.
That's fine.
So
yeah.
why were you not reporting?
I just didn't report because I didn't have a place to go to. I was like kind of like freaked out on it. You know what I mean?
So did you think of taking the via bus to probation?
No, Your Honor, I didn't. I just went to the house and they said I couldn't be there. I was from my understanding, the last time when you had spoke to me about the probation, did you put her on a restraining order so that way I could probate there? Because
No.
I got a new address I could
No,
report.
there
to.
was not supposed to be any contact. And what is the plastic in your,
Oh,
you
it's-
just coming over here with all sorts of
No,
things.
I didn't see it in there. I just do on my.
No, what's in your pocket?
This is from the soup, and then this is from my mom's address.
So he's bringing soup from the
No, I'm
jail
not
and
bringing soup.
greens?
No, I didn't. I just do all my.
Just add water. Okay.
Just that one. No, yeah.
All right. So what is with the 36 on your face?
This is just back in the day, back when I was in high school. I promise you on that.
Mhm.
I've been to myself. I don't.
And the dollar signs around your wrists?
That keeps me motivated to do my probation.
So what's up with the dollar signs on your wrist?
I got these tattoos years back, like before '99, and I haven't not got any other tattoos since. I've been basically, I worked. I've had probation before. I completed it before in the other court.
Mhm. But not here.
This one I was just, I was kind of shocked on it, but I mean,
What do you mean shocked on it?
well, because I was picked up on how I was picked up, but I mean, I wasn't like I didn't get to come report because I just didn't show up. I just didn't, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie to you, sir. I mean, Honor.
No, I appreciate.
I have a
appreciate
new
the honesty.
address that I could probably maybe if you grant it to go to. I talked to my mom on that. She said that she's willing to go ahead with it if you're willing to, if your judgment would apply. If, you know what I mean?
All right. I don't think you're a good candidate for probation.
Okay.
I tried. All right, we're
right.
gonna send it. I'm gonna
Do I get credited for my back time?
Just let me finish.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. The court is going to revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility. You're entitled to any credit for any time previously served. There's to be restitution of $57 to SAPD for lab testing. All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, that jury on your fingers. I don't know what happened at the jail, but you're not supposed to have that on your fingers unless it's attached. The bringing over of food from the jail.
Yeah.
They shouldn't have allowed you to bring that over. We're not here for you to have a meal in court.
Yes, Your Honor. I didn't
even
know
when
what it
you're-
was in there.
Here's the thing, even when you're held in the back, you're not allowed to get hot water and make your own soup dish. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're gonna have to start doing better. How old are you?
43.
You're 43. You're close to having the majority of your life behind you. If you don't want to wake up and see that you spent a majority of your life in prison, you had better change your ways. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. So I get credited for my back time?
You'll get credit for any time that you've been in jail.
Okay.
Legally, you're entitled to it.
Okay, thank you. God bless you, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you. God bless you too.
Thank you. God bless you.
All right, thank you.
All right.